Do you know what it is? Well, it's another whistle. Inspired by a video by Just4Fun, who made his own from scrap materials. So I had a look on Thingiverse and found this one. In fact, I found several. I'll probably print a couple. Bit of an experiment this time. I picked up these small reels or lengths of PLA in a charity shop. A couple of bags full of these 5-meter lengths. And the one I'm going to try is clear. So we're going to print something with clear PLA. I'll time lapse it and see what happens. What I'm printing needs 4.5 meters. And that's 5 meters, so it's going to be a tight fit. Oh dear, I think we can say that one's a fail. Looks like we were nearly there too. Obviously just came loose from the bed. Well, we'll go again. I haven't got any more of that clear, so we'll have to use yellow instead. Another one of those short lengths. Right, well this is about as far as it went with the clear PLA before it fell over. We'll come back later and see how we're getting on. Still going. Probably shouldn't say that, should I? Well, that's printed okay, which is frustrating because it's the same file as the one I tried to print with the clear PLA. Hi guys, in the conservatory, crazy hot in here, just around about 100. Got the fan going gently in the background so it's not too loud, but Nanny's also got the washing machine going, so there's a fair bit of background noise. Right, random stuff off Thingiverse again. My friend Just4Fun did a lovely video just now making his own version of one of these whistling birds out of junk, and it works brilliant. Well, obviously I got a 3D printer, so the first thing I did was have a look on Thingiverse for some whistling birds. First one I came up with was quite ornate, and I thought that'd be too fussy to print. This was the second one I spotted, which I rather like the look of, nice and simple. Haven't tried it yet, but it looks like it's nicely finished. The fancy one that I didn't print, when I read the information on it, he had based it on this design. So I looked at this design, and the guy who did this one had done lots of different versions, including one designed to be printed with clear filament, so you could actually see what was going on. And I got some small coils of filament that I picked up cheap in a charity shop. One of them was clear, so I thought I'd give it a try. They're 5 meter lengths, and to print this you need 4.5 meters, so it's going to be a close run thing. But unfortunately, as you can see, it obviously came loose off the bed. So we got that far, and then we just got a spider's web. That's the same one, printed with another one of the short lengths of filament. In that case it was yellow. So that printed okay. That one got halfway there and then failed, which is a shame because it would have been nice to see the water in there. And that one looks fine. So, just to show you very roughly how we would have looked at it, when you pour the water in, it needs to just go above that level. So this is the main chamber, this bit. That's the tail going up there, and the water needs to just cover the gap, so that when you blow in, the air pushes down in there and escapes up here, but it agitates the water and causes a warbling effect. In fact, the guy who's done this one's got a good explanation on his Thingiverse site. So I'll put a link to that one, and I'll put a link to that one. But that one's well worth visiting because of the explanation. Now, does it work? I haven't tried them. I'll put some water in this one. I could either pour it down there, or I could just pour it in one of his eyes. I've got it on a tray because obviously I'm going to spill some. I should have tried blowing it before I filled it up, shouldn't I? Let's just give it a quick blow. Well, it's going to work anyway. Well, works absolutely fine. And you can change the speed the air can escape by blocking the holes. So that one works. This one, okay, quite high pitched. I'm gonna have to pour it down here with this one. Well, I can see there's a little bit of filament in there making a mess of it. Oh well, we'll still go for it. See if that's enough. absolutely perfect. Brilliant. So there we go. 2 3D printed whistling birds or warbling birds. That's a shame. I don't have any more clear filament at the moment. Otherwise we'd have actually been able to see the water moving in it. Anyway, that's it. Job done. Links in the video description to the Thingiverse files and also to Just4Fun's video. Excellent. No need for 3D printers. Just a bit of tube and a plastic container. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.